Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to download and install DeepL Translate for Windows. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to google.com and search for DeepL. And just simply go for the first one at deepl.com/translator. And you should be able to see here apps at the very top. And you should be able to have a desktop app. So go ahead and click on that and just simply select download for free, and it will automatically download it on the top right corner of the screen. Now guys, here you could just simply select the folder icon, show in folder, to open the folder tab and go for DeepL setup. Double click on it and just simply select a location file and just simply go ahead and change it if you prefer, and click on install, and after that it will be installed into your PC. Now guys, as you can see, once it is done, you should be able to access the DeepL application. And now when you go to the desktop over here, as you can see, we have the DeepL app. So click on it, and after that just simply wait for it to load up. And now from here, you should be able to have the app and just simply log in into an account, or you can just simply skip and you should be able to translate right away. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.